Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to be checking out the 2019 Gruffalo 50p coin, and this is the Brilliant Uncirculated edition. If you were to buy this from the Royal Mint, or this specific version, not the blue carded one from Westminster Collection, this is how it will arrive in the Royal Mint handbag. So that's the front, and then that is the back. So what I'm going to do now is the usual thing, where I open mine up and show you everything that's going on inside, so that you never have to actually open yours up if you don't want to, but you can see all the information that you get. So there we go. That is it now, with the packaging off, front and back. We'll come back onto the back in a second and we'll have a look at the coin specifications. But for now, I'm going to do my usual thing of just showing off each part long enough so that you can pause it and have a read at your own pace. Just like with the silver proof, I'm really taken aback by how vibrant and colourful all of the packaging is. I think it looks great. And again, it's quite nice to see the Royal Mint continuing on with the children themed coins. Back onto the back here. Some great illustrations. And back around. So we'll just quickly check out this little part on the back so that you can read that. And now we'll check out the coin specifications before we go into the coin itself. So the denomination 50p. The alloy is copper nickel. The weight is 8 grams. The diameter 27.30 millimeters. The quality is Brilliant Uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jody Clark, and the reverse designer Magic Light Pictures. So there we go. So we'll start off by having a look at the reverse of the coin. So let's just see if I can get that into focus. There we go. That is a really cool design. Like I said, with the silver proof coin, it's simplistic, but I really like it. It didn't need to be anything else. And now we'll just have a look now at the obverse of the coin, dated 2019. I have bought one of these in the blue card from Westminster Collection as well, but that's just in order for me to be able to take it out from that packaging to put it into my date run. But let me know in the comment section below, have you bought the Brilliant Uncirculated, and if so, did you buy this edition or did you buy the blue carded one from Westminster? Let me know, because it always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.